But if you just take some clarifying shampoo, get your brush wet, and just start making a lather, almost like you're shaving, you'll be surprised in just a matter of minutes, your brush is gonna have all of that soap scum cleaned out. Just like your regular hair, you know, you can use daily shampoo most of the time, but every once in a while you need to use a clarifying shampoo to really get all the buildup out, and that's what we're doing here. Your shaving soap is a normal soap. It's not like a detergent or any kind of clarifying agent in it where it's going to build up and it's going to actually coat onto the hair follicles themselves, the hair shafts, and the only way to get that out is by cleaning it out with some clarifying shampoo.